Okay, hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let me start off the video properly because I had to do that quickly because I think that's what a lot of people expected me to react. So I gave it to them. But you thought another black woman survives again, survives the hate again. Here with the Get Ready With Me, I'll be doing a look because I've been playing around with eyeshadow, but I will also be addressing issues with my recent video, which I thought I was putting out there to help people contour their nose, to show my tips, my tricks, my talents, my skills and everything in between. But obviously you can't get all the results you want. Yeah, I got a lot of hate and a lot of love from that video only because I wanted to show people how to contour their nose. Majority black women, black men, few Asians I might say there, but majority was black men and black women. I'm not surprised. Denying your African heritage and masking it behind a Eurocentric nose. This isn't self-love. What are you gonna do when someone meets you and sees that's not your nose? Lol. Then be proud of how God made you. That's catfishing. A scammer. If I woke up next to her in the morning, I'd run. While makeup is really a scam, imagine taking Shorty home after the club, then wipe her makeup off and reveals this. Ladies, we have to do better. Enhancing is one thing, but this is downright catfishing, girl. And it goes on. I've been contouring my nose for so long. Like, I'm honestly a bit like, didn't y'all know? I just want to first of all start by saying I absolutely, unapologetically, without a doubt, why isn't my primer coming out? I unapologetically, without a doubt, can't open my primer. Love my natural features. I don't have to prove it to anyone. I don't even want to have to say it again after this video. You can go through all my media, my YouTube, my Instagram. If you have me on Snapchat, I'm natural. Oh, before this whole pandemic, and I go to work or I'm out 5 days a week, more time I'm natural. I don't wear makeup every day because I don't want to. I've gotten to the stage where I don't want to actually wear makeup. I like my natural face. I put a bit of mascara, a bit of eyelashes, the lip gloss, and I'm good to go. By the way, I don't want this video to, this is not towards my supporters. I'm not even addressing my supporters because I'll get to my supporters in a minute, because you lot have shocked me to, I want to give back to my supporters so bad. Let me, I love my supporters so much. I'm gonna get to them in a minute. It's the people that don't know me, people that made assumptions, people that jumped to conclusions, people that licked people's on the timeline to make who can make the rudest comment, who can get the most retweets. Let me wipe that bit of white makeup was looking a bit weird. I need to rub that in. People compliment me natural, and when I have makeup on, I know I don't even have to get the compliments to know how good I can look both ways. So that's not even a factor. And I do appreciate people that say, love your natural face more, you're beautiful, your nose is beautiful, was beautiful before you contoured it. A black woman is not allowed to be versatile. She's not allowed to switch up her style. She's not allowed to do this. A black woman can't do that. She can't do this. She can't do, oh, aggressive. She can't do that. Aggressive. She can't do this. And then when they speak up, like, you just can't win. And women from other races contour their nose, and I don't hear pimp, I don't hear someone said I needed it, and then another person said I should get non-surgical, at this point just get a non-surgical procedure. And I was like thinking to myself, so I found a way. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm about to do a nose contour. Wow, oh my god. I found a way to make my nose smaller without having to go under the knife, which, by the way, getting surgery and going under the knife is always a risk to your health. So I found a way to make my nose slimmer, to be creative with my nose and like the way it looks, without having to do surgery, and now people are encouraging me to do the surgery. Where did that even come? Where did this self-hate as I apply my concealer even come from? Where did, who, I don't know, I want to know who started that and why, and where did you get it from? So you're telling me every time someone does some sort of makeup that you lot don't like, she hates herself. She's trying to be European. I'm trying to be Eurocentric, or I don't like my black features. Girl, take off them wigs. No one, no Brazilian, Peruvian, straight curly wavy hair that's not your own texture to come at me, to come at anybody. I'm not going to get surgery. I'm not going to do it. I'm sorry if this upsets you, but I'm not gonna do it. I don't want to hurt your feelings, but I'm not gonna do it. So just leave it as that. Don't waste your time saying I need it and trying to cuss me, because I'm not going to do it. You can't beat me. It's so hard for me to say I'm hurt. It's because I'm not. It's because I've already been through that stage to the point where I've learnt to love my nose so much. I ain't going back. I've been past that. I've learnt to love my nose already. It's too late. It's too late for the hate. You lot came too late with the comments. I had it. It's been done. I learnt to love my nose. It's gone. That's why it's so important. I'll use this experience to encourage any one of my supporters. Look at me, guys. I just feel like a spokesperson. I will encourage any of my supporters to learn to love themselves ASAP. Learn to love yourself ASAP. I already like my nose. I already like my natural nose. You're too late, guys. You're late. The boys. I can't even say there was men involved. I'm gonna say it was boys. There was about 2-3 men, but majority boys grilling me. This is why you take women swimming on the first date. If I woke up to her the next morning, I'd cry. This is why you can't compare makeup to a trim. What kind of witchcraft? Women are mad. Sorcerer. I've never been called a witch in my life. I meet a guy with my face beat and he sees me at another time with my natural face and he doesn't like what he sees. He ain't the one. He can never wife me. He can't have me, period. I'm like, another one bites the dust.
Another one hits the dust, bitch. Let's go.
Once again, I'm really sorry, but I'm not one of them girls who crave or cry or will do anything for the attention of men, because I'm not that desperate. I'm not. Hence why, if you don't love me for my big nose, goodbye, sir. On your way. I'm using my new palette from ᵒᵏᵃ. It was just people trying to be the most meanest to get retweets. That's what I saw that day. They're the ones that do the most for clout. The clowns. People who were actually really supporting me, and people were even defending me, and that's why I'm telling you, my supporters, I can see I'm going to build a really strong rapport with my supporters, because I saw the love. I saw the love was there. The love was there. And the reason why I love my supporters so much is because they saw the before picture and they saw the after picture, and then they watched the video like a sensible human being would, to find out more information. Oh, she's contoured her nose. Yes, the contrast is shocking. The contrast between her natural nose and her contour is shocking. But let me click in. She has skills, because they were so intelligent enough to figure me out, see my skills, see my talent, and actually embrace what I could do. And that's what the right type of people do. They embrace you and uplift you. And I got a lot of uplifting besides the hate. I got a lot of uplifting. I can't even begin to explain how much uplifting there was. Guys, I'm just using these two shades. I used that pink and then that glitter on top. So just in case anybody wants the look. But yeah, I'm very secure. And I know some people were trying to be nice and mean at the same time. Like, I'm really sorry, but you look more better natural. But I know that. I don't wanna, you can't win with people. If I say I know I look good, they'll call me vain. If I don't say anything, they'll still call me that. I can't win. I can't take myself seriously. I can't, honestly. Guys, I'm gonna use this brown and this black just to, you know. I ain't the one. Black women, like, everything we do is just like, we can't just be ourselves. Like, we can't be versatile. We can't try new things. Why are you trying to limit us so bad? I want to contour my nose to look like a HB pencil. I will contour my nose to make it look like a HB pencil. I want to contour my nose to look like a spaghetti strap dress. I'm gonna contour my nose to make sure it looks like a spaghetti strap dress. Some pink and white. It's fun to clap back. I could clap back if I wanted to because I find it quite fun, but I don't want to. I don't want to encourage that sort of trolling behaviour. So I am curling my hair with a straightener. I like to wear weave, but then you can't wear weave and then come and tell me that I'm trying to be European. Take that straight head weave off, girl. Do you know how many boys' mums? Anyway, you don't want to speak about self-hate, but anyway, let me not, cause I wanna I wanna go there with y'all. I don't wanna go there, but I don't want. Right, this matte cream lipstick I got from Revolution. I love lip creams. Ooh. I'll just mix it with the second one I got from Makeup Revolution, which is a bit on the plum side. Oops. Yeah. Every time I do a matte lip, guys, I'm just super tempted to gloss it up. I can't help it. I can't help glossing up my lip. Guys, that's all for this video. I don't want to talk too much. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button and share my video. But I really appreciate your comments. Make sure you follow me on my Snapchat to see behind the scenes of me and get to know me a bit more, especially for those who are new to my channel. And I will definitely see you guys in another video